Salut! This video's objectives are how to express opinions, how to ask for opinions, how to accept or agree with opinions, and how to disagree with opinions. But firstly, let us look at a scenario between two friends to understand what an opinion is.
What did you think about the movie?
Meh, it was fine. What did you think?
I actually really loved it.
Wow, I can't believe we're friends.
Donc, une opinion est ce qu'on pense de quelqu'un ou de quelque chose. For example, je crois que c'est normal. In this phrase, you are telling what you are feeling about something. That is, what your opinion is about something. Je pense que c'est belle, which means I think it's beautiful. Imagine you are talking about a dress in this sentence, and by saying je pense que c'est belle, you are giving your opinion on the dress. Now let us move towards our first objective, which is expressing opinions. There is a lot of ways in which you can express your opinions, and here in this tabular column, we have the most commonly used ones. D'après moi, à mon avis, selon moi, je pense que, quant à moi, je sais que. All these expressions are variations of saying in my opinion or according to me. Now let us look at how to use these expressions we saw earlier. D'après moi, bleu est la meilleure couleur. In my opinion, blue is the best color. Quant à moi, je ne suis pas d'accord. In my opinion, I am not okay with it. This phrase can be used in situations where you are disagreeing with an opinion by giving your opinion on the matter. À mon avis, ce n'est pas juste. In my opinion, it is not just. Je préfère le jaune au vert. I prefer yellow to green. Using je préfère is also a way of giving your opinion, as you are expressing that you like yellow better than green. Now on to our second objective of the video, asking for opinions. In the animation we saw at the beginning, the girl asks her friend what she thought of the movie. This is what asking for an opinion means. Asking for opinions is mostly done by using interrogative sentences. Also, please be mindful of the pronoun that you are using. Que pensez-vous de? Quel est votre avis sur? Qu'en penses-tu? Qu'en pensez-vous? Now let us look at some examples of how to use these expressions. Que pensez-vous de cette robe? Quel est votre avis sur ma coupe de cheveux? What do you think of my haircut? And for qu'en penses-tu or qu'en pensez-vous? Émilie, j'ai choisi la robe noire. Qu'en penses-tu? Ah oui, c'est belle. For the third objective of the video, accepting or agreeing with opinions. C'est vrai. Tu as raison. And for elders or groups of people, you can use vous avez raison. The next one is a little bit different. Tu n'as pas tort. Vous n'avez pas tort. This expression can be used when you're reluctantly agreeing with something. You don't think the other person is completely right nor completely wrong. Je suis de ton avis. Or je suis du même avis. This is used when you share the same opinion of another person. As for the examples, we will look at them in a conversational format. Cette robe est belle, non? Ouais, tu as raison. Sa voiture est laide. Tu n'as pas tort. Lucie est vraiment gentille. Oui, c'est vrai. Je crois qu'il est dangereux de sortir tard le soir. Qu'en vous pensez? Absolument, je suis de votre avis. Now on to our last objective of the video, disagreeing with opinions. Je suis opposé à, je ne suis pas d'accord avec. Je ne souscris pas à, c'est un peu plus compliqué que ça. The first three expressions are the most commonly used ones. When you're using the last expression, make sure to explain why exactly you think so. Otherwise, it's probably going to make the other person annoyed. Je ne suis pas d'accord avec Madame Nora. Je suis opposé à votre avis. Je ne souscris pas à leur opinion. Ce n'est pas vrai. You can also use ce n'est pas vrai as a way to disagree with an opinion. We're done with the objectives for the video. Hope you find it useful. Merci beaucoup.